Hey guys, it's Carrie and Byron. We're coming back from a property we're listing, did a bunch of marketing for it, and we are going to head into Union and give you an idea of what the downtown looks like.
Yes. So right now we're on Knobs Run Road. I wish you could peek through the video on the right hand side. There's just peaks of beautiful Peters Mountain here that's near Gap Mills.
Yeah, it is beautiful.
Yes.
We'll get a shot of it up here.
Yes, hopefully we will. So we're going to be turning right onto Main Street, which if you were to go from downtown Lewisburg, take 219. This is not the direction Byron likes, but if you just keep going towards Union, you'll go through Fairley, Roncevert, and you'll be here in about 15 to 20 minutes time. So,
but if you go my way, it'll be 14 minutes.
Oh,
so it's
of course.
a little quicker.
Okay, Byron. Well, call Byron for this top secret way on how to get to Union. But it's beautiful that way. Going through that way. So.
And tell us about Union. What?
Yes. So Union is the county seat of Monroe County. Fun fact about Monroe County: there are 0 stoplights in the entire county.
Really?
Yes.
That's county seat.
So it is where the courthouse is, the government organizations work. Yeah. So 0 stoplights in the entire county, and I think there's only 2-lane roads too. I don't know of any 4-lane roads in Monroe County. But if I'm wrong, comment below. Tell me so. So we're still driving in. The property we were at was about 3 miles from downtown. So we'll be coming up on it pretty quick. So,
so if you live in Union and you go to high school, you'd go to James Monroe.
Mm-hmm.
That's, what, 15 minutes from here probably?
Yes.
And they have an elementary school and a middle school here?
Yes. Yep. They have all 3. And then one of the best parades is the Farmer's Day Parade. They have Farmer's Day once a year, and normally the spring, early summertime. It's a lot of fun. We are about to turn on Main Street. So to our left is the road is 219 Lewisburg direction. I'm helping Byron drive like he needs help. That's why I'm looking. So now straight ahead we're coming through Union. A magical thing I love about Union are these overhead street lights. So they change them out for all the holidays. So right now they're red, white, and blue, but they're festive all throughout the year. Which
I don't think I've seen them on ever. I guess you have?
Yeah, fun ambiance.
Well, I'm never here at night, but.
So this is the town. We're driving through town right now. There's Kittle's hardware store, which is an awesome hardware store. Moco Diner is here. Moco t-shirts if you need any custom printing done. The Bank of Monroe is here, which provides lots of loan partnerships. And then we also have Calico Kitchen, a fantastic.
One of my favorites.
Yes. Queen's Pizza is on our left.
Is Union Tavern open?
And Union Tavern, yes. Not today, but Thursday through Saturday.
That's the thing. Mondays, a lot of things are not open.
Yes. And so if you were to turn left here, you would be going
to the IGA.
IGA, which is the local grocery store.
So we'll drive over there, show it to you, and then if you... This is not the left.
This is not the right way.
Oh,
we're
Carrie
gonna go around the block.
Carrie tried to tell me where to go.
I tried to drive. Once you turned, I was like, what are we doing?
Yeah, well, this is a secret shortcut way.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But that's Union. You don't have to see the IGA. This is a dead end.
And this is a dead end.
This is the end of this video.
This is the end of the video. It's a dead end of the video.
Oh, see you guys.
Bye, everyone.